Next. Next. Back. Italian sounds good.
Here are the top-rated Italian restaurants.
I also need quick delivery.
Here are your quickest options.
Number 3. I want pasta.
Here are some pasta options.
The Alfredo looks good.
Anything else?
No thanks.
Your total is $22.13. Would you like to add a tip?
$8?
Shall I place the order?
Yes.
I'll alert you when it arrives. Where are you headed?
1350 Milwaukee Street.
Just yourself.
Yep.
Your ETA is 7 minutes. Make sure you're ready to go. Hello, Ashley.
I have pain
Where is your pain?
in my neck.
Is there stiffness in your neck?
Yes, there is.
Here are some possibilities of what might be going on. This could be a pulled muscle. Let me know when you're finished.
Finished.
I can set up an appointment with your doctor for this. And you have one prescription left for your pain meds, lidocaine. Would you like me to refill this?
Yes, let's refill that and make an appointment as well.
Your medication is refilled and on its way. Your doctor will follow up an email with appointment times. Take care, Ashley. Hello, Kevin.
Transfer $200 from personal to business.
Anything else?
Pay my credit card bill, please.
Sure. Which card would you like me to pay?
Wells Fargo.
Which one?
First one.
Pay with your main checking account.
Yes.
I'll be talking to you soon.